How many people have been given Padma Awards in the year 2026? Right answer is option C, 131. Who won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2025 to 26 title? Right answer is option B, Vidarbha. Which site in Bihar recently became the 94th Ramsar site of India? Right answer is option B, Udaipur Jheel. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2026? Right answer is option A, 80th rank. Which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit in 2026? Right answer is option C, India. Which state declared Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary as its first official butterfly sanctuary? Right answer is option C, Kerala. What is the name of new mascot launched by UIDAI to simplify Aadhaar services information? Right answer is option B, Uday. Which state topped the medal tally at the Khelo India Beach Games 2026? Right answer is option A, Karnataka. The 2026 Republic Day marks which anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution? Right answer is option C, 77th. In which state is the Pongal festival celebrated in January 2026? Right answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board in January 2026? Right answer is option B, A.K. Balasubramaniam. When was National Youth Day 2026 celebrated? Right answer is option C, 12th January. What is the rank of India in the Global Climate Risk Index 2025? Right answer is option C, ninth rank. The Gajak and Revri sweets of which district in Uttar Pradesh received the GI tag in January 2026? Right answer is option B, Meerut. Which Indian Army officer was awarded the United Nations Secretary General Award 2025 in January? Right answer is option C, Swathi Santha Kumar. According to the NSO's first advance estimates, what is India's real GDP growth rate for the fiscal year 2025 to 26? Right answer is option D, 7.4%. In which city did India launch the Raisina Science Diplomacy Initiative 2026? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country is the guest of honor at the New Delhi World Book Fair? Right answer is option C, Qatar. Who was recently appointed as the new Chief Information Commissioner of India? Right answer is option A, Rajkumar Goyal. What is the central theme of the Republic Day Parade 2026? Right answer is option B, 150 years of Vande Mataram. Where was the National Textiles Conference 2026 held in January 2026? Right answer is option D, Guwahati. Which Indian cricketers were awarded the Padma Shri in 2026? Right answer is option B, Rohit Sharma and Harmanpreet Kaur. Which state topped the medal tally by winning the overall championship trophy at the 69th National School Games? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Who took charge as the new ambassador of the USA to India in January 2026? Right answer is option D, Sergio Gore. Which Indian city hosted the annual Army Day parade on 15th January 2026? Right answer is option A, Jaipur. Which state unveiled India's first dedicated deep tech startup policy 2025 to 26? Right answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Which district is said to become India's first bio-happy district? Right answer is option A, KE Pannur, Arunachal Pradesh. What is India's rank in the Women, Peace and Security Index 2026? Right answer is option B, 131st rank. The 26th edition of the Hornbill Festival began in which state? Right answer is option D, Nagaland. Who won the 2025 Booker Prize for his novel Flash? Right answer is option B, David Saleh. What was India's rank in its debut participation at World Skills Asia Competition 2025? Right answer is option B, 8th rank. Which city was the host of the WHO Global Traditional Medicine Summit 2025? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Which country hosted the G20 summit in 2025? Right answer is option C, South Africa. National Education Day is celebrated on which date in India? Right answer is option D, November 11. The 11th edition of Joint Military Exercise Mitra Shakti 2025 was conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option D, Sri Lanka. How many medals did India win at the Asian Youth Games 2025 in Bahrain? Right answer is option B, 48 medals. Who was appointed as the chairperson of the 8th Central Pay Commission? Right answer is option D, Justice Ranjana Prakash. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Awards 2026 posthumously? Right answer is option C, 16. The chief guest of 77th Republic Day 2026 represent which international body? Right answer is option A, European Union. Who was sworn in as the 53rd Chief Justice of India in November 2025? Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant, who recently won the title of Miss Universe 2025. Right answer is option A, Fatima Bose. Which state Silisher Lake has been designated as India's 96th Ramsar site? Right answer is option D, Rajasthan. Who is the author of his first book, Why the Constitution Matters? Right answer is option B, D.Y. Chandrachud, who has become the new Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force in January 2026. Right answer is option A, Nagesh Kapoor, who became the 15th Vice President of India in September 2025. Right answer is option B, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Which tennis player reached the Australian Open 2026 final in January? Right answer is option C, Carlos Alcaraz. Which city was recognized as the best city for women in India according to the City Readiness for Women report in 2026? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru. India and which country announced 2026 as the dual year of culture, tourism and artificial intelligence? Right answer is option C, Spain. The Panna district of which state received a GI tag for diamonds? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. In which city India hosted the first assembly of the International Big Cat Alliance? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. In December 2025, who was appointed as the first ever female brand ambassador of Punjab National Bank? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.